Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are fine. So guys, today's video I will be doing a hair mask. So I'm using Amla powder for my hair mask today. So I've been using this for a while now, so I just want to use it as a mask today because it's also beneficial for our hair growth. So Amla is rich in vitamin, mineral, so it also helps to increase the scalp circulation and also help to stimulate healthy hair growth. It has vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to produce collagen protein that help to stimulate our hair growth. So guys, I add 2 spoons of amla powder to my bowl. Now I'm just going to add water to mix it. I'm going to add water, just little water to mix it, as you can see me doing right here. To my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys so much. If you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for coming. And if you just joined my family, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys so much. Hope your bell is on so that you will not miss out any of my new videos. So after adding that little water, so I'm going to use it to mix it. The water is not enough. I'm going to add just 1 spoon of water, then I will just mix everything together, as you can see me doing right here. Guys, amla is so good for our health. It's so good to it helps to promote healthy hair growth. Like if you are trying to grow your hair out, just try to use amla, whether the oil or the mask. Just try to use amla for your hair and you are going to see the result. Try to do this once a week as a hair mask, or you can make it as an oil. Anyone that you want to use is so fine. Okay, so now here I have my lime juice. Guys, lime juice is also good for our hair. Also, lime juice also contain a lot of vitamin C and also boost collagen production. So lime juice contain other nutrients that strengthen the hair follicles and encourage new growth. So the antioxidant and other nutrients present in lemon juice also help to grow our health and even grow our health more than it's supposed to grow. It help a lot, guys. Now I'm going to add my yogurt. So guys, I'm going to add yogurt also. Yogurt is also good to cleanse our scalp. It cleans away dead cells, so it help our hair follicles to grow very well. So yogurt is also good to promote strong and healthy hair. So yogurt also have a lot of benefit like protein that help to promote our hair to grow very fast. So I'm going to add yogurt to this treatment now. So I'm going to mix everything together, guys. This hair mask is a very powerful ingredients that are inside, also help to promote hair growth and also keep our hair healthy. So now I'm going to add my DIY hair growth oil. So I make this, so the video is already on my channel. Just go and check it out. I will leave it at the description box or at the end screen. So now I'm going to add the oil. I'm going to add the next oil I will be adding is my almond oil. Almond oil is also good for our hair. So if you don't like almond, any oil that I'm using, you can use the one that you like, the oils that you like, but try to use the ingredient like amla, like yogurt or lime. So now I'm going to add my castor oil, guys. Castor oil is so good. I love castor. I love to use castor oil a lot, like castor oil and olive oil. I love to use it. Why I did not add olive oil? Because I use olive oil to infuse my hair grow oil. That is why I did not add olive oil. So if you can add olive oil, you can also add. Now I'm going to add honey. Guys, honey is so good for our hair. Keep our hair moisturized and also help to promote healthy hair growth. It strengthens our hair and also keep our scalp healthy. So now I'm going to mix honey. Here is my gristly, vegetable gristly. So I'm also going to add my vegetable gristly to this now. So guys, I'm just going to add the vegetable gristly, then I will just mix everything together. I'm adding just 1 spoon of vegetable gristly. So guys, this vegetable gristly also helps to moisturize our hair, keep our hair moisturized, help to trap in moisture inside our hair. So the next thing is MSM powder. So guys, MSM powder is also help to promote hair growth, and you can use it as you can take in as you take it in your body or you put it in your product, just like I'm doing. So now I've already added everything that I want to add. I'm just going to mix this hair mask now. As you can see me doing, I'm just going to mix everything together. This is powerful hair growth mask that is going to keep our hair and our scalp so healthy, and also help to promote healthy hair growth. As you can see how beautiful and lovely this hair mask is looking already. So guys, here is my DIY hair mask. As you can see how it look like now. You can use it on your hair. After shampooing your hair, you can use it. So I'm just going to mix everything just like so. Then I will just move on to the next step to apply it to my hair. So guys, yeah, I've already shampooed my hair, so this is how my hair is looking like now. So it's time for me to apply this product to my hair. As you can see, this is how my hair is looking like. I'm just going to apply the product to my hair. First of all, let's do a little length check. I'm going to do a little length check for you guys to see how my hair is growing. So we are in this together. Okay. So this is how my hair is growing. Then so guys, now I'm going to just apply the product to my hair. As you can see, I'm just testing the microphone. So guys, as you're applying it to your hair, also applying it on your scalp for it to help to cleanse your scalp. Okay, to cleanse your scalp, to make your scalp look healthy. Also apply it to your hair and also on your scalp. So guys, I'm done applying it to this side of my hair. I'm just going to go off camera to apply it to the other side of my hair. So this is how my hair is looking like now after applying it to my hair, after soaking it inside my hair. Like, I really have to soak my hair with this DIY treatment because of the good benefit that I'm going to get from it. If you can do this once a week, and you are going to see the results before the end of the month. Okay guys, now I'm just going to go off camera, then I will do this side of my hair, then I will be back to show you how my hair is looking like. So guys, here I am done applying the product to the whole of my hair. So here is my hair. This is how my hair is looking like. I'm just going to put my hair in a twist, just like this with the product. I'm going to put my hair in a twist, then I will cover my hair with a plastic bag, then I will allow it to sit for 1 hour to 30 minutes, then I will wash it out. So if you can repeat this process once a week or once in 2 weeks, you are going to see a very good 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 result. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys. Then I will see you all in my next one. Stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Bye bye.